Let's talk about it. What's really happening in the market right now? We are seeing a massive pullback, red candles everywhere. It's like a bloodbath, right? And the fear is at an all time high, in my opinion. And a lot of people are panicking, thinking the bull run is over. But let me tell you something, don't be fooled, guys. This is exactly where millionaires are made. There's a famous saying from Warren Buffett, right? Be greedy when others are fearful. Okay? And right now, fear is taking over. But while the retail investors are selling at a loss, the whales, they're out there accumulating heavy at a discount. They're playing the long game. That's something that we should be doing, right? Now, with Trump back in office, we know there could be um, a big shift in the financial landscape. We are seeing that now the last couple weeks. But regardless on who's in charge, for me, one thing is clear: the crypto market moves in cycles. I still follow the 4-year cycle until proven wrong. Okay. So right now, it feels like the sky is falling, but trust me, this is nothing new. This has happened before, and every time, those who stayed strong came out on the top, and the weak get shaken out, and the strong get rewarded. Okay? So, what am I doing? I'm doubling down while others run for the hills. I'm loading up on my holdings at a discount because this isn't just another dip, you guys. This is a life changing opportunity. Okay? Look at all this red, guys. Massive opportunity to add more positions in your cryptos, right? So I hope this message hits home for you guys. And I know there's so many FUD out there, but just trust me, guys. Just trust in your in your um in your projects and your convictions on what you are invested in. Okay, because crypto isn't for the weak, in my opinion. Okay, so separate yourself from the herd and stay focused. Just stay patient and just stay strong. And if it's just too many FUD for you, just zoom out. Okay. Now let's get into our market watch and today's crypto news. Let's actually go to our crypto news first, okay? Actually, yeah, let's go to the market watch first. All right, market cap is 3.4 trillion. Fear and greed is at 47. It's neutral. Bitcoin dominance at 58%. This right here, guys, this is where you want to pay attention, okay? Constantly. Okay? This is where we see all the shift from the Bitcoin to altcoins. Bitcoin dominance at 58%. And let's see, the altcoins season is probably around 30 something. Let's see, 48. Altcoin season index of 48. And here's the chart right here. So right here, just hovering. Okay. Soon enough, we'll get to the blue side. Okay, and that's our time to shine right there when that happens. And let's look at some chart here. And Bitcoin here. Now we went back to 100K. It actually dipped like 99,000 under 100 and it went back up. If this chart load up here, let me see right here. Let's see. Yep, it went to. It dipped all the way down to 98. Yeah, 98K. That was about, yeah, that was today, and it went back up now. You see how fast it moves, guys? That's just like a couple hours. It went back to 100K now. So the strong support right there. So we're good. Um, let's go back to the rankings. Okay, Ethereum's is now at 3,100, guys. It's been down 5% in the last 24 hours. XRP now under $3. It was holding strong above $3. So, but now it's 291, down 4% today. Solana just hovering at 212 to 13. It's been down 7% the last 24 hours, 17% the last 7 days. Very interesting, the market right now. Okay, now let's hop on to some news articles. What are what crypto whales are buying for the potential gains in February 2025? Let's see what are the whales are doing, guys. Ondo. Ondo is a leading real-world asset RWA token. Has surged nearly 17% in the last 30 days, pushing it to market cap to 5 billion as RWA adoption grows. Ondo continues to gain traction among investors. Whales bought Ando aggressively over the last 2 weeks. Addresses holding between 10,000 to 100,000 Ando jumped from 1,727 to 221, while those with 100,000 to 1 million increased from 289 to 332. Even larger whales holding a million to a 10 million Ando grew from 139 to 175. And with BlackRock and Morgan Stanley showing interest in RWA, Ondo could benefit significantly in February. As institutional players enter the space, whale accumulation may continue to drive prices higher. Virtual Protocol. Virtual is one of the top projects in the crypto AI agents trend. Despite being down 40% the last 30 days, whales bought Virtual last week, signaling the start of an accumulation trend. Whales holding at least 100,000 Virtual have been steadily increasing over the past week. This suggests confidence in the project despite its recent corrections. With the large holders positioning for a potential rebound, with a market cap of 1.5 billion, Virtual remains one of the biggest AI coins. If hype around crypto AI agents returns in February, this accumulation trend could help drive a price recovery. I think AI agents gonna be it's gonna be massive narrative this cycle. Furthermore, Layer Zero, Layer Zero was once one of the most hyped crypto projects, but has dropped nearly 23% in the last 30 days. However, it's up 5% in the last 24 hours. Whales bought Layer Zero steadily throughout January, between December 29th, 2024 and January 30th, 2025. The number of addresses holding between 100,000 to 1 million Layer Zero increased from 84 to 113. With the lawsuit now settled, whale accumulation could drive further recovery. If momentum continues, Zero may regain investor confidence in the coming weeks. Do you see the trend, guys? Do you see the whales running for the hills? Or they're just in the ground floor and just buying? They're buying your position pretty much, okay? For the people that panic sold, the whales are stealing your position. So they bought what you sold, okay? So we should be, this is the move that we should be making, right? Follow the big money. Look at what the big money are doing, the smart money. They're accumulating, they're buying, they keep adding more and more to their portfolio. At this level, guys, And but you might ask though, right? But why? Why is the market so red when whales are buying with big money, right? In my opinion, there's manipulations here. Okay? So all the whales can buy more, so they can load up more, and to add it in their portfolio. Okay, and we should be doing that. This is the time with DCA average cost towards a position. Okay, we gotta keep stacking, guys. Okay, this is the time. This is not the time to run for the hills and be feeling the FUD. Okay, that we are looked at it. This is the time to grind actually, and don't be fade. Don't be phased from the FUD that you hear everywhere on X and stuff like that. Okay, I'm telling you right now, the market, the bull run is not over. It's just the beginning. Okay, that's my opinion, my personal opinion. Continue on what we should be doing. Okay, ETH whales boss trader sentiment. Let's see. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum buying pressure has surged, signaling turnaround for Chin's wallet holding between 100,000 to 1 million assets. Ramp up buys. Total accumulation topped to 1.1 million assets with approximately 3.5 billion. This inflow spiked the market cap above 392 billion, while its price consolidated 3260. ETH is up 5% today. It's probably generally active wallets on network grows 784,000, boosting confidence. Whale activities help traders determine presence, mark sentiment, gauging price peaks and possible correction. Conversely, large holders dumping assets pressures. You see, the traders gets it. Some of the trader gets it right. They kind of see what are the whales are doing in basis on their trade, right? But they're traders, so they're short-term investor. Just get in, get out, sell, and buy. Okay, for me or for us, if you are a long-term investor and you're hodling, if you have the same strategy as me, you sell during the bull market and take profit. We should be watching the whales, how the traders are watching them when they make their trade and decision with their sentiments, right? Moreover, in the last 24 hours, 13 wallet acquired 10,000 ETH, sending bull signals to traders. Most holders also transferred funds out of centralized exchange and moved points to the long-term holding. Previous ETH prices struggled after failing to break all-time high, like Bitcoin, even the spot ETF approval. Okay. Drop your comments, guys. I'm gonna keep emphasizing it, man. Okay. We should be doing what other wheels are doing. Okay. Follow the big money. As a long-term investor, this is unprecedented opportunities right here. Okay. Massive discounts, massive opportunity to add on your positions or to bring down your average cost on your cryptos. Okay, now let's look at some of the projects that I hold. Supra right now is ranked 328, 138 market cap. The volume is around 22 million. See, it's just Supra's just been hovering right here. The last couple of weeks has been just hovering between here, right? Not so much of a price actions. So I've been accumulating Supra nonstop, and I will continue to do so. Okay, it's like Black Friday for me the whole week, and I don't mind seeing it any longer, so I can add more. Right? That's just my strategy, and that's how this DCA dollar cost average. Okay, and this is not a financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. Now let's look at another project. Okay, let's go Moonbeam. Another one is around 300 in ranking, 146 million. A little lower volume though. Days is 11%, down 11%. Past week 17%. Month 42%. This one has been massively on a discount shelves right here. Moonbeam. If you hold in a Moonbeam, as I am a holder as well, this project, hopefully your average down is around here now, okay? Because it's a massive sale right here. If you just keep DCA dollar cost average constantly, you will win, in my opinion, okay? When all this manipulation is over, guys, and everything's all, is getting everything, everyone's getting in line now, okay? From the US based crypto. Remember, guys, the government wants to be the leading nation when it comes to crypto, okay? So if you're in the US, this is the time to load up, okay? Just giving you an opportunity to stack up more, okay? This is a lifetime opportunity, in my opinion, you guys, okay? All right, so that's it for today's deep dive on what's going on in the market and all the FUD. And if you're feeling the FUD, you guys, all you have to do is number one, just set a DCA, automatic DCA, and just zoom out. Okay? Because we're almost there, guys. Soon enough, we will see a rally. Usually February, nothing really, we don't really see the price going up much. Usually hovering down usually during the month of February. But if you found this valuable, you guys, just smash the like button and subscribe for more insights on the market and all you need to know in crypto, okay? And if you guys haven't seen the last videos I posted a couple days ago, if you guys can check it out and drop comments and hit the like, I would really appreciate it. And remember, guys, wealth is built in during when everything's red, right? When you bought these times, when you make moves during this time, right? When everything's down, that's where wealth are made. Okay. With all that being said, guys, thank you once again. Appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.